Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much and welcome back. So what we got here, we got my oven. I wanted to show you how to use a electric oven, how to settle it, how to start. So as you can see, the top resistance is already at the maximum, and that's how it has to be always. Always, always, always. Stop resistance is this one on the top, right? And then we got the bottom resistance that is underneath the stone, okay? Which is this one, okay? I put it on 0. Why? Because the top one is strong enough to hit the bottom one. But if you start working, and then this is very changeable according to each oven, okay? Because you can have ovens where you must have a bit of heat on the bottom. But if, for example, you don't work for a very long time or you have a lot of time to heating up, what you're gonna do, you just leave it at the 0, and then the surface is gonna get hot enough, okay? And then what you're gonna do is this. In the case you're gonna get a lot of pizzas, or you do, a lot of pizzas or a lot of orders or whatever, you gradually, okay? Never go at the maximum. I mean, if it's really not on 0 and the bottom of the pizza can cook, so you would just put it at the maximum, but then always be careful, okay? Because this is like a horse that start riding, they start, running very fast, okay? Once you leave it and you don't have any more pizza, even for 5 minutes, you need to put it down. Maybe not completely, but remember that once this is started, it's like a horse running, okay? It's difficult to stop it. So always be careful, okay? And I'm gonna show you very briefly how to use generally any kind of oven.